What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today I'm working on my wife's Polygon Cascade 4. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the micro adjustment and install the pedals, but I'm gonna modify the knobs on the pedals just a bit, and that way she has exactly what she needs. Before we do that, I would like to go ahead and invite you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you haven't seen my other videos, please make sure you go ahead and check them out. And other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, just real quick, I wanted to give a huge shout out to LeBron Photo. LeBron Photo, if you're watching this video, thank you very much. You bought me 5 cups of coffee. It's gonna make a huge difference on the growth of this channel. Again, thank you very much, LeBron Photo, for those 5 cups of coffee. Really appreciate it, God. Huge shout out. Thank you. Besides adjusting the micro shifting on this thing, I want to go ahead and adjust the calipers because they're making a little bit of a rubbing noise. Let's see if you can hear that. I'm gonna see what method works best for it. First, what I want to try is to just go ahead and loosen the calipers off, break, and readjust them. When I loosen this up, they're gonna be a little bit free, so they will have a little bit of a play. So when I press the brake, the idea behind this is that this will automatically line up, center themselves, and then I can go ahead and tighten them. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them little by little, because if you put too much pressure on them, they tend to move a little bit. So just be gentle. And before you tighten all the way, just snug. And I can still hear a little bit of rubbing. So that method did not work. So what I'm gonna try to do now is to actually align them by eye. Literally, I'm just gonna look at the distance between the brake pads and the disc, and then align them. If you haven't seen the other video where I had to drill out actually the post right here, make sure you go ahead and watch it. That was just drastic measurements. Hopefully I don't have to do this in this one, but we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a lot of these things and just leave a few, but probably leave them backwards. That way they will not damage her shoes, because she's not gonna be doing anything crazy on it, and she don't have MTV shoes, and she's not gonna buy some MTV shoes. She's probably not even gonna ride this bike. But this is gonna be a while, so let me see if I can find a faster way of doing this. So these are the pedals that I bought. Pedal Extreme. I got them off Amazon. I think they were like almost $39, but these are the only colors that match the grip. So, oh well. And this is what I did. So instead of having the threaded part out, I flipped them, but I only have like 4 on each side, and it's way more subtle, so it's not gonna damage the shoes a lot. So this is gonna work great. And also this worked because now I have a spare threaded bolts for my other pedals, just in case if I need to. So let's go ahead and put this on, put the grips on. This bike should be done. Can't go anywhere without grease. TLM. By the way, the other day on a previous video, my friends at Woodtick, Jeremiah was talking about grease. You can find it on the pharmacy aisle, things like that. And then he brought my well, basically I put a comment on one of his on the video about that, because I used to work at a company when I was working in the refineries, that was called TLM. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for this. They changed the name many times after that, so I think I'll be fine. I'll wear a shirt in another video. Hopefully you guys get it. We'll see. Who knows, maybe I was wearing that shirt previously. I don't remember. Just remember the initials TLM. It's talking about lubrication, okay? Now this have, let's see, R for right, L for left. I use my 6mm. This thread tighten up towards the front. Just remember, they tighten up towards the front. Actually, purple is one of my favorite colors. I don't even know why I don't have this combination in one of my bikes. But now that I'm looking at it, I think I might actually do one like this. We'll see. The only thing I didn't like is that the pedals, they're almost $40, and I don't like to spend money like that, but oh well. That's Diesel barking back there. Diesel! These are not lock-ons, so we'll see how much trouble I get to taking them out. Now remember, I still gotta replace this handlebar. I think, since I don't know what I'm gonna do about the XR Pro, I have a handlebar that I was gonna put in on this one, but since I was gonna cut it way too much, I might just end up using that handlebar. It's a weight one with the XR Pro. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Maybe I am. Just a slow future build. We'll see. I guess only time will tell. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the I had put in the Axum handlebars on the Copeland, but my father-in-law told me that they were a little bit too wide, so I might just go ahead and put back the Mongoose XR Pro, I mean not the Mongoose XR Pro, the Mongoose block cams back into the Copeland, and then use that ones that are in Copeland back in this one. And if I need to cut them a little bit, I guess I can do that. But the ones on the Copeland, they're the original ones from the Axum. 2 Newton meters for these lock-on grips. They're marquee. I don't remember how much I paid, maybe like 15 bucks on Amazon. There you go, 2 newtons. Click. Yeah, click. Same thing on the other side. 2 Newton meters. Built-in torque wrench. Click. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and micro adjust. First. That's first, second, third, fourth, that was my bad, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. No issues, going down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, there you go. All I had to do literally was do the barrel adjustment up in the front between first and second, like turn it like 1.5 full turns, and that took care of any shifting issues. Ooh, I think I got one more thing I gotta do to this bike, although I don't know if I want to, because it's my wife's bike. She might wants to keep it. The kickstand, I don't know yet. It's hers. She might use it, so I might just leave it in there for the sake of it. Let's go ahead and step back a little bit. There you have it. Polygon Cascade 4 No upgrades except for the grips and the pedals. It's my wife's bike, 27.5-inch wheels. I went over the specs and everything on a previous video. Make sure you check that out if you haven't seen it. It's Memorial Day weekend. I don't know how soon you're gonna be seeing this video, hopefully within a week or two. Hopefully I can take this bike to the trail to make a trail review on it. Actually I might, because it doesn't feel that bad. It's a small frame. I use a large frame, but I'm still gonna take it, see how it feels, and then go from there. If you learned something today, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, please consider doing so. There's a link down in the description if you want to do so. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys. And I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.